Let's get creative with our bubble balloon. So all you need is your bubble balloon, electric pump, balloon stick, scissors, and 3 5-inch balloons. Firstly, take your bubble balloon. I like to fold mine up a little at the end, so it'll be easier. And then inflate it to its right size. Make sure it's nice and firm as well. Checking it. Take your balloon stick, put one 5-inch balloon in, and then you stick it into the bubble balloon, but leave the ends sticking out like that. Okay, so you're gonna easily inflate it just like that. So hold on to the end because you're gonna have to tie it up, which I am struggling with over here. But yeah, so make sure you grab the end to snip it off so that it will be neat. But be careful with this, don't snip the bubble. Okay, hold on to that end. And then continue on with your next balloon, same step. Insert the stick, push it in, pump it up, tie the ends, snip it off, and push it in again. Okay, next balloon. I love the colors of these balloons, they're so cute. Just like that. And then all you have to do is just twist the ends, tie it with the rib balloon end, and then put it in the holder, and insert your stick and you're done. How simple is that?